Hey everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching today. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing of kit 27 from the Papercraft Society. This one's been designed by Lindsay, who is the Frugal crafter on YouTube. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what's inside this one. As always, the pattern and design and the colours on the box are always an indication of what's inside. And from what I know, Lindsay has done all the design, all the artwork is her own design. So she's drawn and painted all of this. So it looks really pretty. My kind of colours on the front, so I'm sure I'm going to enjoy this one. Inside the lid it says, "We are all on an artistic journey with different goals. Don't worry about the product, just enjoy the process." Trust the process. That's what I'm always saying to myself, especially when I'm doing any kind of mixed media and things like that. So as always, we will start with the envelope, then we'll do the tissue after. So we've got another beautiful design here, all in watercolour. Really, really pretty. And then inside you've got your 3 pockets. So it says, "Mix your new supplies with your old for a unique combination to create a style that's really you. When trying something new, you either succeed or you learn. There is no failure. Don't be afraid to use your stash. The only supplies that are ever wasted are the ones that stay in the box." Very, very true. So let's have a look at the dies first. Just pop this behind so we can see them better. So we've got lots of tags and buttons. That's something new. I haven't got any button dies. I might have one in a haberdashery die set, which is really, really old. But other than that, these are really cool. I like them. Then we've got little stamps, little dies there for the frame. And then you've got your inner rectangle as well. This looks like a big gift tag, or it could be a bookmark. And then you've got these little... They're almost like those brass kind of labels. So they would be quite sweet. In fact, if you were to die cut that in gold and then put a little label inside, you could decorate any of your storage and things that I've done. I quite like that idea actually. Then we've got like a distressed frame. And then we've got some edge ones here. So we've got one that's like the stamp detail there, big long one. Then we've got a distressed one. It almost looks a bit like a heartbeat as well. And then we've also got this kind of swirl one there, and then we've got a decorative corner, and this die says bloom, and then we've got a smaller little edge there. And then these look like your picture corners, so, or photo corners, so when you're making any mini albums and things or planners, you can die cut 4 of these and then pop your photos in, so you don't have to glue the actual photo, you just tuck it into the corners. And then you've got a stitched inner frame there as well. So it's quite a lot on that one. So we'll see what the inspiration is in a moment. Then we've got the stamps. So again, I haven't read the booklet yet, but I am guessing that Lindsay has designed this. So we've got the stamp there, and then we've got like the franking, you know, stamp kind of mark. We've got New York there, 25 cents. Obviously Lindsay is from America, 15 cents. But it's quite nice to have something a little bit different actually, so I quite like that. And we've got more buttons here. We've just got a font or a script stamp there, this square one. Then we've got "Thinking of you, happy birthday, live life in full bloom." I like this one, this is unusual. A little butterfly, love this one here, nice big bloom. And then we've got another one here which looks like a orchid of some kind. Another butterfly and a little border there as well. Oh, we've got "Welcome Baby," I missed that one. So you've got quite a lot on that one. And then for the papers, just laid them out here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different designs there. So we've got this water colour kind of wash. We've got this one here. Now you could cut these if you wanted to, but that's quite nice on its own. You've got this one. And we got this one. It's almost like a section of this has been blown up into that one there. You got that pretty background. These look like you can cut it in half through the middle there. And again with that one, so you've got 4, you know, kind of panels there, 4 note cards. And then you've got that lovely one there with the leaf detail. So really pretty. Then you also get a sheet of vellum, and then a sheet of vellum with these sentiments. That's really nice. You got Really lovely ones there. Celebrate, thinking of you, happy birthday. And you've got happy birthday a couple of times there, 'cause you can cut into these. You've got with sympathy twice, but just slightly different sizes. With gratitude, with sympathy, welcome baby, thinking of you. And with gratitude again, so it's up to you whether you have the frame. You've got a couple of other details there. That's nice. And then we've got 2 sheets here of cardstock. This is a coated card, so I imagine there's going to be some techniques and things that we can do with that inside the booklet. So I'll just pop all of that back inside. And let's have a look inside the tissue. So you've got a couple of templates here. So we've got a bookmark sleeve template and a library card holder template. So remember to use those. So inside this gorgeous bubblegum tissue paper, we've got quite a lot of goodies. So this here is a Viva Colours bookmark, 6 watercolours. So on this strip here, you've got your watercolours. So you just load up your brush with water, or you can drop a couple of droplets of water on here to activate it. And then you've got your colours here. So we've got crimson, vermilion, chrome yellow, foliage green, peacock blue, and tree bark brown. So that's really different. I haven't got anything like that. So I'm really looking forward to doing that, because I do love watercolouring. I just don't do it enough. We've got some seam binding here. Now you can dye this. So I imagine, you know, even dipping some of the watercolour will be able to, you know, absorb that. You probably get some really nice effects actually. So yeah, a bit different to the seam binding, I know. But then there's probably other kinds of seam binding as well. But it's nonetheless, it's really nice, something I don't have. I like that it's thick and it's flat. So I'll be able to, you know, lay that onto my cards and stuff. Then we've got, these are all little vellum and card, like ephemera. So let's have a little look inside here. Okay, this is really nice. I love that there's so many little bits in here. So we've got, I think these are, oh no, they're not. I thought they would be the same as what was on the stamps, but they're different. So this is going to be really good for spring cards. You've got the bunny, the butterfly. You've got different flowers here, another butterfly. You've got a leaf with a ladybug on. That's really nice. And you've got another flower there. So you've got all of those. And then you have them, I think, the same images, but coloured. So again, I wonder if Lindsay has coloured these. There's that one there. So yeah, you've got them. You can do some really lovely effects with this. You kind of have them layered up with the vellum and then the colour one in front, or put it over the top. And it's also nice to have that as like a guide on how to, you know, colour other things as well. There's that leaf. I love that. I think that's so cute. There's another one there. You can go there. And there's the bunny. How lovely are they? Really, really nice. I'm feeling a scrapbook layout with this. I really want to get back into my scrapbook layouts. It's like my New Year's crafty resolution. So I'm thinking I'm going to do some really nice scrapbook layouts using this kit, and also the other mixed media kit I got. Oh gosh, it was kit 23, I think. Crafty Individuals. I haven't used it yet, but and the colours in that are going to work really well with this one. So I think I'm going to be mixing them together. Then in here we've got postcards. Let's have a little look. So these are watercolour. So you'll be able to colour these in, or you can do your own designs there. So you've got 2 blank, and then you've got these ones with these images, and they're lovely. Really, really nice. I love that there's not too much detail in them, so you can, you know, really mix your colours and yeah, just have some fun with it. I love those. They look nice framed as well. If you had one of those bigger frames, you can, you know, with like the sections in, if you have all 4 of those coloured, that would be nice. So you get 6 postcards in that watercolour card. You get 3 little bookmark tassels, but you could put these on the side of a mini album, on a gift bag. If you dipped your colour in the ends there, it would just absorb and kind of get like a bit of an ombre effect. That would look nice. You get a water brush pen, so you just fill up the barrel there, and that's good to go. And then in here, what do we have? It's like Christmas again. Oh, we've got little brads. So we've got some small little gold brads there, or split pins. Again, they're going to be used for something once I see the inspiration book. And then we've got, I don't know what that is, but it's just a paper, but I'm sure it's some kind of special paper, so I'm not going to do anything with it just yet. We'll keep it there. So this is our coordinating cardstock. So we've got that beautiful bubblegum pink. We've got that, I'd say that's more of a, no, that's like a lime. It could be a lime green, but it's more of a yellow. That could be lime green. Then we've got a craft card there as well. So we've got those 4 there. But we've got 8 of the pattern paper, so we've got a lot more pattern paper than we usually get in the kits. So this is the inspiration booklet. This is Lindsay here with the kit. So let's have a look. There's a couple of bits I want to see. Oh, here we go. Again, I'm not going to show too much because I don't want to give too much away. But there is one of the postcards coloured, and using that palette there, the watercolour bookmark. So Lindsay's doing a step-by-step there to show you how to create that look. And then this is cute. Yeah, there it is. Those are what I thought to be used. Yeah, that's, oh, and it's using the vellum. Love it. That is such a nice idea. That is really, really cute. Because I was thinking vellum's always a bugger to stick. You have to, you know, you just got to be creative with vellum when you want to stick it onto a card, which is probably why I don't use it so much. But I like the way that it's framed, and then you can pop string through. Yeah, loving that. I think that's really sweet. And then there's some vellum folded with the edge dies there to create that look. That's a really fun project. What do you call that? Treat cone. I know in some parts of the world, I think in Europe somewhere, that is that has got a name. Maybe it's just cone in its language, but anyway. So here we go. Lou's done some nice ones here. So we've got a coaster, I think. Oh no, she's done a small circle card, but I actually can see that as a coaster, especially if you set it with some resin on the top. You've got the bookmark on the front of that card there. Live life in full bloom. We've got a gatefold card with that ribbon or the seam binding. I like the way the vellum's been tucked behind that postcard there. Yeah, it's really nice, really different. Oh, that's beautiful. So that's heat embossed. Again, you can see where they've used the ribbon there. Thinking of you. I'm looking forward to using this one because there's just some different things in it. And like I said, it's going to be, I think, scrapbook layouts. I'll be using these probably in my Facebook Live, which I do every Wednesday at 2 p.m. So if you want to tune in to watch those, then head over to the Facebook page. But yeah, really, yeah, pleased with this one. It's just something different. Again, there's Lindsay on the back there with some of the supplies. So that's everything inside kit 27 from the Papercraft Society. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and you like this month's kit. I will share the direct link to this one in the description box below, along with the link to the Papercraft Society. So if it's something that you're thinking about joining, you can opt in month to month. You can do a 3-month subscription, a 6-month subscription and a yearly subscription, or you can just buy them one off. And I think this one is open stock, so you should be able to get just this one if that's what you want. As always, thank you for watching and look out for tutorials of me using this product. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.